Why you are so handsome? Please give me some tip. I'll also become handsome like you.
You have to learn this instrument. You will be handsome.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
How are you?
I will play this instrument for you.
Yes, play. Oh, ma mère, il est trop chaud. That's good.
Can you play merde, je suis ouf. Can you play music of my choice, please?
Oh, il est chaud. Ouais.
My friend, you very good, so I give you a 10 or 10. And continue in this way for a good career.
Yes.
Can you play this? Please. Oh. You see this before?
I have seen this before. I forget the name. What's it called? China, yeah.
And this is Chinese instrument.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you mind playing some? Nice. Nice to meet you. Would you like to hear some singing as well?
Oh, you can play music too?
Yeah, he can sing.
Oh, come on, bro.
Come on. In Hindi.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया.
Oh, you have a good voice, bro.
Thanks.
Are you a singer?
Yeah, he is a singer. He is actually a singer.
Yes, I'm a singer.
Yeah, keep going. And you play music?
Yeah, I play music.
And can
You want to hear some?
Yes, can you play for me?
Yeah, obviously, man. I don't know, what can I play? What kind of music do you like?
You just play. I can't hear every music.
I like to play some jazz. Do you like jazz?
You are professional.
Oh man, thank you.
And
I really appreciate it.
I want to show you my instrument.
You have an instrument. Wow, that's amazing, man.
This is Chinese instrument musical.
Chinese. Oh, cool.
And maybe we play some music. You play piano, I play sona.
The rhythm like.
And wait a minute, you play C key?
C. Yeah, C.
And wait a minute.
I'm playing C. Oh man, that was amazing, man. It was such an honor, man. Like really.
I hear many piano player, but you play best.
Oh man, I really appreciate that. Like honestly, man, you are a fantastic person, man. A fantastic musician.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah.
High five.
Hi.
What you call it? What this instrument?
You can call this sona
Soma.
from
Is it?
Chinese instrument musical.
I'm from Palestine. Okay. You see, this is me.
Oh.
Okay. This is my camera. I don't carry guns. I carry camera. Yeah. This is me. In dangerous situation. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. You see, this is me here, and this is army.
Oh, you take a picture from workplace?
Yes.
Wow, respect.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing your culture with me. You see why we protect ourselves and put things like army, because it's really dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous. You have to take care.
Yeah. This is what I do, and listen to music. Wait. I have someone on the door. Wait.
Okay, I wait you. 超酷的，遇到一个战地记者，你可以跟他交流当中，你可以知道他有多喜欢音乐。
Sorry for that. I'm back.
And I want to play Chinese sona traditional music for you.
Yeah.
This music more power and more energy.
You see, because of training.
Oh,
Yeah. I do the punch of Bruce Lee. I do it. I break a door with it.
寸拳. Nice to meet you, bro. You have to take care.
Yeah, it's been really nice talking to you, man.
Thank you. Have a nice one.
You too. You too.
我其实很开心今天遇到这个战地记者，然后并且愿意跟我们分享这一些。但是我现在心情无比沉重，因为我只要一想到说，当我现在在此时此刻正在电脑前面演奏音乐，然后跟大家分享音乐的同时，世界上各个地方也正在发生战争。我一想到这个，我就觉得还蛮难过的，所以我拍不下去了。然后愿这个世界没有战争。
如果你也想成为下一位爆红创作者，请打开下方资讯栏连结，一起来投稿吧。